couple of years ago I looked like this, 248 pounds, over 30% body fat, and back then I thought that losing fat would just change how I looked. Eventually when I did lose fat, I ended up at 186 pounds, 12% body fat, and what I didn't realize when I was fat is that my life would change in more ways than I could have ever imagined. So in today's video I'm going to show you the 5 biggest ways your life changes once you do lose fat, and believe me, it's much more than fitting in clothes better and having a nicer face. So if you're currently on your own journey or you're thinking about starting one, you're going to want to hear these. The first change, and the one that you may not want to admit, is that you become way more attractive to women. Now I know what you may be thinking, well, I've seen girls on TikTok say they prefer dad bods. And fine, maybe 1 in 100 do, but for the majority of women, especially the ones that you will find attractive, that is absolute bullshit. Believe me, when I look like that, no matter how good I dressed, how much I smiled, or how funny my jokes were, I was invisible. And you may feel like that too. No matter how hard you try, you just don't get a look in. But since I got in shape, I get a lot more female attention, to the point where I'm even approached, and there's a science behind it. Women are biologically wired to find men who are lean, muscular, and healthy looking more attractive. It's primal and evolutionary. When you have a lean, strong looking body, it subconsciously signals you are capable, you are disciplined, and you can protect and provide. And it's not just the fact you look better, you are more confident, you walk in the room with your shoulders back, and you project that energy, and that's not something you can fake. And you may be saying, I already have a girlfriend, I already have a wife, and that's even better. Why would you not want to look more attractive towards them? That's even more of a reason to do it. Look, just be real with yourself. You want to be more attractive, and you want to get more attention from the opposite sex, and being in shape is one of the easiest ways to make that happen. It's obviously not the only reason you should try and lose fat, but it makes a big difference, and it's a massive change in your life. The next one is actually somewhat negative, and it's that people in your life become way more critical towards you. This one was a really strange experience to me. The people that were closest in my life, my close friends, my family, became way more critical to me and the choices that I was making. At first, they started off with subtle, jokey comments like, you've lost enough weight now. And then it became more direct, like, just live a little, or don't you think you're taking this too seriously? And even more recently, when I decided I was going to quit alcohol at the beginning of this year, I started getting called boring and a pussy. And at first it baffled me, but then I realized why. You see, when you improve yourself in a way that others could, like losing fat, but they haven't done it, it makes them uncomfortable, because you become a mirror of what their life could be, and it forces them to confront themselves and say, well, if he's done it, why haven't I? You don't even need to say anything to them or judge them directly. Your actions and your progress triggers their insecurities. You have to realize, within our little social circles as humans, we like what we deem to be normality, i.e. being 30 pounds overweight and drinking 2 or 3 times a week. You have to realize, once you step away from that, the people within your circle feel bad about themselves, and they start to lash out towards you because you are doing what they won't, and they'll start calling you things like weird, or in my case, a pussy. Actually think about that and process that for a second. Because I choose not to drink what is literally watered down poison, I'm being called a pussy. But you know what? You'll also find people that actually support you and actually care about what you're doing. And eventually, most of the time, those people end up joining you and going on the same path as you. And I've also found that in my circle recently. Changing your life in ways like losing fat is more than just a physical transformation. It's a social filter. You will see who truly has your best intentions at heart, and you will see those who are just keeping you around because you are justifying their actions. And when you find the ones that truly want what's best for you, keep them around and keep them close, because you will elevate each other in more ways than you can imagine. The third way your life changes once you lose fat is that you become way more in control of your emotions. When I was fat, my emotions literally controlled me. When I was stressed, I ate food. When I was bored, I snacked. And when I felt anxious, I would binge eat food whilst laying on the sofa watching TV. What's important to understand is that your emotions, both positive and negative, are amplified by the physical state that you're in. When you're fat, you get poor sleep, eat junk food, you're dehydrated a lot of the time, and you don't move much. All of that creates background noise in your system that makes you way more reactive to emotions. I was tired all the time, foggy, I quit easily, and I spiraled quickly. When I began to clean up my diet, move more, and actually take care of myself, it was like someone turned down the volume on all the negative emotions in my head. Obviously, you still feel stress, anger, and frustration from time to time, but instead of lashing out and spiraling, you can process those emotions and respond to them rather than reacting to them. I genuinely used to think I was just someone who was lazy, undisciplined, and broken, but what I actually was just someone who was stuck with bad physical habits that was affecting my ability to act calmly and think properly. Losing fat gives you the headspace and the clarity you need to become someone who manages their life better. So if you're someone who's been stuck in emotional chaos for years, just know this: you may not need self-help books or therapy, you probably just need to get off your ass and lose some fat. On to number 4, and it's that you achieve more in every area of your life. When I was fat, I used to think that my weight was just a physical trait, something completely separate from my relationships, my work, and my ambition. For so long, I saw little to no success in every single area, and I just couldn't understand why. But when I started to lose fat, things started to turn around for me. It was like with every pound I lost, I gained something elsewhere in life. The truth is, being out of shape seeps into everything. It blunts your sword, dulls your focus, kills your energy, and destroys your self-belief. You don't realize how much being fat actually holds you back until you lose the fat and life suddenly feels a hell of a lot easier. The first 2 things I noticed was my energy levels went through the roof and I could finally think clearly. Suddenly I had the bandwidth to build a business, see my friends and family more, start recording these videos, smash it at work, whilst having the same 24 hours in a day that I had whilst I was fat. The momentum I gained from losing fat spilled over everywhere, and here's the thing. Going on a transformative journey teaches you to show up for yourself and forces you to cultivate discipline. Suddenly you'll find that you actually keep the promises you make to yourself, and you stop finding bullshit excuses for everything and actually just do it. We are all capable of achieving greatness in this life. Most of us just lack the self-belief to actually stick to something for long enough to see the results and the fruits of our work, and getting in shape will give you that self-belief. So if you feel stuck right now in a body you hate with low confidence and no energy, but you know you are meant for more, losing fat and getting in shape is the key to unlocking everything you want from this life. And if you've already seen some success in life, just imagine how much more you will see once you're in shape and once you're firing on all cylinders. The 5th way your life changes, and the one that affected me the most, is you start to appreciate the gift of life so much more. Let me be very clear with you. The life you have been given is a gift. Perhaps from God, perhaps from the universe, or perhaps purely because of the fact you were the fastest sperm. Life is not something you've earned, it's not something you're entitled to, it's a gift that was given to you. Who knows why? And most people take it for granted. You treat your body like a rubbish bin, eating junk, drinking poison, barely sleeping and never moving, and why? For what? Because you can? When I started to take care of my body, I realized how lucky each and every one of us is. And when you realize that, you will never take another moment for granted again. You become more present in your own life and the lives of the people around you. You begin to appreciate the small things in life, whether that's the sun on your skin, a great conversation, or a glass of water. So if you take just one thing away from this video, let it be this. Don't you fucking dare take your body or the life that you have been gifted for granted. It is a gift, so treat it as such. You only get one shot at this, one body to live in and one life to live. So start making the most of it and appreciate it before it's too late. So there you have it. Those are 5 ways your life changes once you lose fat. If you want to experience those changes for yourself and you want some help doing that, click the first link in the description, book a call with me. We will go through where you're at right now, where you want to be, what's holding you back, and map out exactly how you're going to get there, change your life forever, and become the best version of yourself. And if you've watched up to this point, that means deep down you know now is the right time to change. So don't wait anymore. Click the link, book a call, and let's get to work. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, leave it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.